2024 Hightop 18 mini excavator, 3,500 pounds. I was searching for excavator for myself. I was looking at John Deere, Kubota, all of them, like U17, around $42,000. Depends what you want to add. Like a hydraulic thumb, it's like another 1,500-1,800 bucks. I was shopping around. I'm like, I don't know. I was frustrated, and I started looking at Chinese stuff. Those mini ones, like a yellow, like 1-ton gas. I'm like, no, I don't want gas. A friend of mine told me, never buy a gas one. It's just not enough power. And I started searching for diesel. And I was looking at Kymron brand and groundhog. And yeah, I was really close to buy Kymron, but I found the guy on Facebook Marketplace. He's in Albany, Georgia, I think, and he was selling this model. And this is exact same as a Kymron, has a D72 Kubota engine, has a Parker hydraulic pump, and I forgot the name of this wind motor. It's basically Chinese stuff, but has all Japanese interior, like, pretty much. You can see the filter, Kubota. Doesn't want to zoom in. Yeah. But on the top, there is another sticker that says made in Japan, which is, I like it. And this thing locks. I opened it. Just like this. It does look like a U17 Kubota. And look at the trucks, it's all the way out. This machine has retractable trucks, swing boom. I would consider this is one of the best Chinese made machines so far. If anyone can make it better, should be good. But I do believe Kymron and Groundhog, it's one of the best brands so far. The truck's all the way out, so I can bring it inside. And I got extra bucket as well, 8-inch trencher bucket. This is the swing boom. I'm not gonna give you all details, but just the rough review. And this is that you open the door, and here's the hydraulic seal, and over here the diesel. It does look same as a U17 Kubota. And there you go. Oh, there should be made in Japan. It does run really nice. I'm not gonna start it for you. I don't want to waste your time. But I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I got a couple properties. I got 7 acres with the trench and woods, and I got 3 acres separate. So, and I wish I can do some job sites in future. If not, that's okay. It's already paid off. Nothing too afraid of. Well, thank you for watching, guys.